Hello students, let's start the third poem, subject English, standard 9. The Rain on the Roof. First stanza. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry shepherds, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in the rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of the cottage chamber bed and lies listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. So the first stanza, the poet here informs to us that the humid it means the wet. Shadows meaning here it is a mentions about the cloud. Over it means the remain of one place. So the clouds full of the weight remain in a one place. Over they cover the stars. Even the melancholy darkness, it means there is a darkness totally present in the atmosphere, gently weeps in the rainy tears. So it is a source about to the metaphor that the raindrops occur. Here it is a mentions about the weeps. It means a raindrops. What a bliss, what a pleasure to place a pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lies listening to the patter. Patter it means about to the sound of the rain, of the soft rain overhead. So it is a source about that when the rain occur, we feel ourselves very happy. We praise the below as a surprise or as a excited. We feel ourselves very happy uh, inside the room, and we are try to listening the sound of the rain, which is a comes overhead. It means comes from the roof. Every tinkles on the singles. It means about the tiles. Tinkles it means a sound has an echo in the heart. Every drops uh, on the tiles, it creates a sound and it creates the echo. It means it creates the one of the happiest moment in the hearts. And the thousands dreamy fancies into the busy being start, and the thousands recollections waves their air thread into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So when the rainfall happen, from our busy schedules, a numbers of the past memory, a happiest thing, the recollections of the memory started, and those are the recollections memory we waved into the air. So it is a mentions about as I listens to the patter of the rain upon the roof, and those are the thing happen when the sound of the rain drop, and during that time the numbers of the memories, the old memories, the happiest memory, the poet here it waves uh, in by the air thread. Next stanza. Now in the memory comes my mother, as she used in a years ago to regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the singles by the patter of the rain. So the last stanza the poet here informs to that now in the memory comes my mother as she used in the years ago. So when the rainfall happened, during that time the poet's thinking about his own mother. So the his own mother's memory comes into the mind of the poet as how to they behave, how to she treat a child. So that memory which comes into the heart or into the mind of the poet to regard it is a darling dream. It means it is one of the sweet dream, and she left them till the dawn. It means she present the memories. It means it is one of the dream, and as a dream that in the morning, early morning we wake up and the dream uh, went away. So here it is a mentions about till the dawn. It means till the morning she with me, and when I wake up she left me. Oh, I feel her fond look on me, and for me I have only memory, sweet memory, and her face come on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the singles. It means the tiles by the patterns of the sound, and those the rainfall and the rainfall happen, and during the rainfall the drops on the tiles, it creates the echo, it creates the refrain, and I felt myself very happy and the mother's memory come. So it is the explanation of the third. I hope you may understand. Thank you, students.